All right, moving on to France for now. The presidential race there has been thrown into fresh uncertainty. A pivotal court ruling has reduced the sentence of the far-right leader Marine Le Pen, but questions do remain over her potential presidential bid in the next elections. Let's break it down. An appeals court in Paris basically has upheld a guilty verdict against the National Rally leader. The case centering around a fake job scandal allegedly involving the European Parliament. While reducing her sentence, the court sentenced her to 1 year of house arrest to be served with an electronic monitoring tag. Additionally, the court has barred her from holding public office for 15 months. The ban will expire this year, leaving the door open for her to mount a leadership bid. The appeals court's ruling, in fact, marking a significant reduction from last year's lower court verdict, which had imposed a 5-year ban on Le Pen from holding a public office. Le Pen has earlier said that she may decide against running if the sentence prevents her from campaigning. Her decision on whether to stay in the race is still awaited. If Le Pen decides not to run, the National Rally could turn to its 30-year-old party president, Jordan Bardella. Remember, he has emerged as one of the most prominent figures in France's far-right movement. Recent opinion polls suggesting National Rally is well positioned to lead the first round of next year's presidential election. Although surveys remain divided over who would prevail in a runoff, some polls indicate Bardella could perform even better than Le Pen. With France's presidential election now less than a year away, the court's ruling has kept Marine Le Pen's political ambitions alive, but whether she chooses to enter the race could prove decisive for the future of the French far right. It could prove decisive. And for more on this, let's take a look at this report sent by Ross Cullen on the big developments.
Well, this is the Paris Appeals Court you can see behind me in the centre of the French capital, where Marine Le Pen learned her new sentence on Tuesday. It's been changed, it's been reduced. It's now 3 years in jail, 2 of which are suspended, 1 of which must be spent wearing an electronic bracelet. Now, she has previously said she wouldn't run for president if she's made to wear an electronic tag, and she will be made to wear one. So we'll have to see if she stands by that decision or if she changes her mind and wants to run in the 2027 election, which will be the first one since 2017 without Emmanuel Macron, who cannot stand for 3 consecutive terms. Marine Le Pen's guilty verdict was upheld for the misuse of EU funds. However, her original ineligibility length of statement for 5 years being barred from public office has been changed and reduced, so she could technically run. However, it's likely that she will be replaced by Jordan Bardella, who's her 30-year-old protege, the leader of the National Rally party. Marine Le Pen is the leader in Parliament. Jordan Bardella is the party president, and he is waiting in the wings to take over from Marine Le Pen if she does not contest the 2027 presidential race. Ross Cullen, WION, Paris.